And you're gonna give Brayden a puff? Oh, he's looking at her hand.
Give one to Brayden.
Oh, so nice. Sweet girl. She wanted to give another one. Okay, buddy. You snooze, you lose. I'm gonna keep walking. Let's put him over here. Dog here.
Hey. Hey.
Hi.
Izzy, can you feed one to Brayden? You're taking too long, buddy.
Say thank you. Thank you. Get a puff? I've got one, thanks. I can feed myself. Is it the puppy's crying, huh? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Nom, nom, nom. Brayden, can you give... She's really this... Nose?
Is that
Be
her
gentle.
nose?
Be gentle.
Izzy's gonna be a good big sister.
Yes, she is. She's already a good BFF. Come on, buddy. Or you're going to make a good wife.
Her husband will know how to eat.
Yeah, a good mommy. You hungry? Here, come on in. You hungry? Let me get you something. You're not hungry? Try a little something anyway. Come on, take it. You'll like it. The way she looks at him. Uh-oh. Did you get the puff? Retrieved?
Hey. I'm not me.
You're gonna show Izzy? Get. Uh-oh. Where's Manny? Where's Manny? Could you like scoosh in a little bit closer? Here, let Manny join the party. Brayden Mason, don't touch. You want the ball?